Hello all, good evening. Once again welcome to Aifer Paper 1 mini course. As I have already discussed yesterday, when it comes to NTA NET exam, it's very important that we are a bit strong in the usually tough topics like mathematical reasoning, logical reasoning, etc. And we were discussing different topics from mathematical reasoning in the last sessions. Okay. So before starting yesterday, I hope you would have heard the news or the tweet of Mamidala Jagdish Kumar Sir, the head of UGC, regarding the chance for a change in UGC NTA NET syllabus. Okay, the going to change NTA NET syllabus from hopefully from next exam onwards. Exactly they haven't given when the new syllabus will be out. So many of you have a doubt regarding what will be the new syllabus and when will the new syllabus come into existence. Yeah, so the thing is that we don't have any exact idea regarding when it will happen, but it's not something unusual. It's a normal process. Normally for most of the competitive examination, some sort of syllabus revision happens once in a 4 or 5 years. So it's around 4 years since the last syllabus revision, and they are usually, for as a normal academic practice, they are working on the syllabus and they are changing the syllabus, and it's not expected that there will be a overall or a comprehensive syllabus change. Instead, some areas, some topics will be added to both paper 1 and paper 2, as well as some topics will be removed from expected from paper 1 or maybe from paper 2 also. It depends upon the subject and other things. And the reason why there is a particular syllabus modification, as I told you, it's a usual practice. And second one, it's in relation with NEP. It's given that it's in relation with new education policy also. So it's expected that a lot of things related to NEP may be introduced into the syllabus, and also before introducing the syllabus, NEP itself may be a key topic in the syllabus, maybe in the paper 1. As of now, for the last exam also, a lot of questions are being asked from NEP, New Education Policy 2020, in higher education sector. But specifically in higher education, there has been any, they hadn't given any mention regarding the new education policy. Okay, so we expect to have new education policy or related things also in the syllabus, probably in the paper 1 itself. So let's see what happens. And most probably it's expected that the syllabus change will be in effect from the June 2024 exam, and the exam that's going to happen after 14 years, after 14 days, that's December 16. It has nothing to do with the syllabus change and other things. And most probably upcoming exam may be the last exam before the syllabus change, or last exam based on the existing syllabus. So make sure you prepare well. This may be the last attempt based on the existing syllabus. We don't have any idea regarding how the next syllabus will be. Okay, how the next syllabus will be. So study well, prepare well, and make sure you give all your work so as to make sure you qualify JRF this time itself. So yesterday we were discussing the concept of ratio and proportion. Okay, we were discussing ratio and proportion as a topic. Okay, there are basically 3 types of questions which are usually being asked from ratio and proportion. And the first type is regarding the they would have given an existing ratio and a new number will be added, and they will be giving the new ratio. Okay, they will be giving the new ratio and you want to find the original numbers. So regarding that, we have done 3 questions. I think we have done 3 questions, and now I am moving to the next type of question from ratio and proportion. Okay, I will be doing the next type of question from ratio and proportion, that is regarding the second type is a particular number and the ratio. For example, given they will be giving you something like we have a number Okay, let's assume a number consider a number 180 is divided into 5 numbers. This is for the 180 is further divided into 5 numbers in the ratio 7 is to 3 is to 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, a number 180 is divided into 5 numbers in the ratio 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1. Find the smallest number or find the largest number. Let's try to find the largest number. So this is a next type of question that's usually being asked from ratio and proportion. That's they will be giving you a number, that's a number 180, and which is divided into 5 numbers, okay, which is divided into 5 numbers in a particular ratio, and the ratio is 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, the ratio is 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1, and the question is find the largest number. Out of this, find the largest number. Okay, try to do the question. Find the largest number is a question. Yeah, how will be doing this question? It's given that 180. It's given that 180 divided into the ratio. We have 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, 180 is divided in the ratio 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1. So which we get it as 7x, will be taking it as 3x, 5x, 2x and 1x. So we can write it as since it's a ratio 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1, while we are doing the question regarding 5 is to 2 5 is to 3 ratio, when a number is added, we have changed the ratio into the x, because I have told you that you can only add the ratios when you equate it to related with the x only. So we have 180 is 7 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1. So we'll be having 180 as 7x, 3x, 5x, 2x and 1x. Now we'll be adding it as, we have 180 is equal to 7x plus 3x plus 5x plus 2x plus 1x. That is, we'll be having 180 is equal to 18x, 7x plus 3x, 10x plus 15x, 17x, 18x, from which we will get x is equal to 180 by 18, that is equal to 10. We will be x is equal to 10. Okay, we will be having a value of x as 10. Okay, so we have x is equal to 10 as a correct answer. X is equal to 10. It's a part, one part. It's not an exact answer. What is the question? Question is find the largest number. Okay, find the largest number. What is the largest number? Largest number is 7x. So if the question is regarding largest number, we will be finding that is 7x, that is equal to 7 into 10, that is equal to 70, and the smallest number is 1x, that is equal to 1 into 10, that is equal to 10. Okay, that is equal to 10. So we'll be having 180 is equal to 18x and x is equal to 10, from which we get x is 1. So if the question is regarding the largest number we have it as 7x, and the smallest number we have it as 1x. So here the question is only the largest number, so we'll be having 70 as a correct answer for this particular question. Okay, for this particular question we'll be having 70 as a correct answer. I hope it's clear, an easy one. So to make sure you are thorough with, then I will give you a question that is asked in the previous exam. Yeah. So this is a question, try to do. If 76 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 7, 5, 3, 4, then the smallest part is, this is a question, try to do. If 76 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 4, then the smallest part is. That's the question. If 76 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 7:5:3:4, then the smallest part is, which is the smallest part? It's the question. What will be the answer? Give me the answer. Yeah, how will be doing? The same as I have already discussed. We have 76 divided in the ratio 7:5:3:4. So we have 76 equals 7x plus 5x plus 3x plus 4x. That is 76 is equal to 19x. X is equal to 76 by 19. That is equal to 4. So we'll be having x is equal to 4. Then the question is, which is the smallest part? Okay, question is, which is the smallest part? So we have the smallest part as 3x. Okay, for this particular question we have the smallest part as 3x. So we'll be having the value as smallest part is 3x. That is 3 into 4, which gives 12 as a correct answer. Okay, we'll be having 12 as a correct answer for this particular question. Okay, we'll be having 12 as a correct answer for this particular question. So I hope it's clear. I hope this question is clear. Yeah. Then moving to the last type of question from ratio and proportion. Okay, it's regarding the a coin type of question. Coin type of question, the basic theory is like this. They will be giving you something like there is a 50 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin, 10 paisa. Maybe this coin is not in existence in really, not in circulation, but still they will be asking the question for ratio. In the past exam also I have asked. The question will be like this. There are a set of 25 paisa, 10 paisa and 50 paisa in the ratio x, y, z, and the total sum of the numbers is something like 108. Then what is the number of 25 paisa? So question will be like this. There are okay, we have 25 paisa, 10 paisa and 50 paisa in the ratio 5:4:10. Okay, 5:4:10 will be the ratio, and they may give a total number. Okay, they may give a total number, and they will ask what is total value when adding all this. Okay, when adding all this, I will, for example, they will give you something like yeah, 1 something like, suppose 7.9 rupees or something like that. Rupees 7.9, assume 7.9, something like that. It's just for an example. And now you will have to find the question. Now you will have to find this question. Such type of question I will be doing will be again we can't directly multiply this one because this is a ratio. 5:4:10 is given in the ratio. So I will be doing like this: 25 paisa into 5 plus 10 paisa into 4 plus 50 paisa into 10. Okay, 25 paisa into 5 plus 10 paisa into 4 plus 50 paisa into 10 is equal to rupees 7.9 or whatever, rupees 50, rupees 20, and we will be finding the question. So this will be the way we will be doing this type of questions. No need of getting confused. I will just show you a question. We will be doing that. This is for just an example. So this is a question. Try to do an exact question, a previous year question. A bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins in the ratio 5:9:4 amounting to rupees 206. Find the number of coins of each type respectively. That's the question. Okay. A bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins in the ratio 5:9:4 amounting to rupees 206. Find the number of coins of each type. This is a question. Try to do the question. Yeah. What will be the answer? Here. As I have already discussed you before that how to do this type of question. So here it's given we have what we can say 50 paisa, we have 25 paisa and we have 10 paisa in the ratio 5:9:4. So how we'll be doing this one? Okay, we'll be multiplying this with the x value. So we'll be having 50 paisa into 5x plus 25 paisa into 9x plus 10 paisa into 4x. Okay, 50 paisa into 5x plus 25 paisa into 9x plus 10 paisa into 4x equals it's given rupees 206, that is rupees 206 into 100. There is an multiplying, we will be multiplying it with the 100 just to convert that rupees into what we can say rupees into paisa. So there is no need of adding this RS. So we have 50 paisa into 5x plus 25 paisa into 9x plus 10 paisa into 4x is equal to 206 into 100. So 5x is the number of 50 paisa, 9x is the number of 25 paisa and 4x is a number of 10 paisa. Then we will be doing it. We have 250x plus, since everything is in paisa, we are not writing it again. 250x plus 25 into 9, 225x plus 10 into 4, 40x is equal to 20600, 20,600. So we'll be adding this one, we'll be having 475 and 515x. 515x is equal to 2600, x is equal to 2600 by 515, that is equal to 40. That is equal to 40. Okay, that is equal to 40. So we have x is equal to 40 as a correct answer. So again, here what we have done, we have given 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa in the ratio 5:9:4. So we have 50 paisa 5x times and 25 paisa 9x time and 10 paisa 4x times. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be multiplying 50 paisa into 5x plus 25 paisa into 9x plus 10 paisa into 4x is equal to 206 into 100. So we will be adding it. We have 250x plus 225x plus 40x equal to 20,600. We have 515x equal to 20,600 and x is equal to 40. So the question is not over. We have just got x is equal to 40. So what's the question? What is the number of coins of each type? What is the number of 50 paisa, what's the number of 25 paisa and what's the number of 10 paisa. So what's the number of 50 paisa? We have 5x, that is equal to 5 into 40, that is equal to 200. So we have 200. What's the value of 25 paisa? We have 9x. So we have 9 into 40, that is equal to 360. We have 360. Then what's the value of 10 paisa? We have 4x, that is equal to 4 into 40, that is equal to 160. So we'll be having 160 as the correct answer. So we have option B, 200, 360 and 160 as the correct answer. Okay, 200, 360 and 160 as a correct answer. So this will be the way we will be doing such kind of question. Is it clear? Once again, I have already told you how we got x. Once we got x, we'll be finding the 5x, 9x and 4x. Okay, 5x, 9x and 4x. Yeah, so I hope it's clear. Yeah, so these are the three types of questions that are being usually asked from ratio and proportion. The first type is I will be giving you a ratio, a particular number will be added and we'll be having a new ratio. And the second type is a particular number will be divided into x, y, z, okay, ratio, and what is the largest number or the smallest number. And the third one regarding the coins and the other numbers aspect. So I hope it's clear. Okay, I hope it's clear. Give me a response in the comment section. So we'll be continuing with our discussion of mathematical reasoning in the upcoming days, and make sure you subscribe to Aifer Education YouTube channel so as to continue receiving many other sessions. And we have already a lot of sessions, a lot of videos. We were discussing different topics of paper 1 in our Aifer Education YouTube channel. Make sure you visit it. So that's it for the day. We'll continue again tomorrow. Thank you.